Ma'am, record na lang natin, ma'am. Ma'am, record na lang po. Record na tan, ma'am.
Okay, sige. Please continue, Ma'am Chari. Okay na tayo.
Once again, the financial proposal of TMT Construction for contract ID number 24AB0065. Bid form, documents attached, bid form, signed, bid of quantities, signed, summary of bid prices, signed, detailed estimates, signed, cash flow by quarter, signed, and the bid offer of PMT Construction is 4,798,769 pesos and 11 centavos. Again, 4,798,769 pesos and 11 centavos. No discount offer.
Okay, so thank you, Ma'am Chari. So, we have only one eligible contractor for this project, or is TMT Construction, and submitted his bid in the amount of 4,798,769 pesos and 11 centavos, which will be for cross-qualification and further bid evaluation. So let's go now to the next project. Last but not the least, 24AB0103, construction of 4-story third classroom and 4-story 8 classroom, Sulsuna National High School, Sulsuna, Ilocos Norte, with an APC of 61,773,740 pesos and 46 centavos, and a contract duration of 225 calendar days. So we have one interested bidder in the name of Martin Development Corporation, Sintay Construction Corporation, formerly RC Tagala Construction Joint Venture. So do we have a representative from Martin Development Corporation? Yes. And how about Sintay Construction Corporation? Is this your first time, sir, to join us? Go on. Sintay?
Sa Sintay.
Sintay. Ngayon ko lang.
First time. Second district. Ay, sa atin.
From where is this Sintay, sir?
Tandang Sora man, Quezon City.
Okay. Ano pangalan siya? May I have your name, sir?
Arayno Luis po.
Oh, Arias. So based on the result of the electronic eligibility processing for our low-interested bidder for the legal aspects, Martin Development Corporation, Mayor's Permit, pass, DTI, pass, BIR Tax Clearance Certificate, pass, and the PGX registration, pass. And for Sintay Construction Corporation, Mayor's Permit, pass, DTI, pass, BIR Tax Clearance Certificate, pass, the PGX registration, pass. And for the technical and financial aspects, for Martin Development Corporation, pickup license, pass, pickup registration, pass. Work experience, pass, and the NFCC pass. For Sintay Construction Corporation, pickup license, pass, the pickup registration, pass, And for the NFCC, pass. So, based on this result, may I request the members of our technical working group to please open the submitted proposal envelope, technical proposal envelope of Martin Development Corporation, Sinday Construction Corporation, joint venture. And please check the joint venture agreement, the pickup license, special pickup license also. Conduct the initial evaluation and read the contents.
Morning po sa ating lahat. So I have here the technical proposal of Sintai
Tide Construction Corporation and Martin Development Corporation, joint venture, for contract ID number 240103. So based from our initial evaluation, all required documents are attached, including the certificate of PhilJet's registration platinum of Tide Construction Corporation, valid until February 28, 2025. Certificate of PhilJet's registration platinum of Martin Development Corporation is also attached, valid until July 2, 2025. Also attached is the special pickup license of these contractors, and may I read to you the contractor's particular name of the contractor or members of the joint venture, Tide Construction Corporation and Martin Development Corporation, for the pickup license type, general building, building and industrial plant, pickup category, GP size range, AAA medium B, and the special license number is JB-24-15364, and this special pickup license is valid from July 16, 2024 to July 16, 2025. Also attached is the bid securing declaration, bid security in the form of bid securing declaration, indicating the correct contract ID and contract name of the project, signed, sealed, and notarized. Moreover, omnibus term statements also attached with the correct contract ID and contract name of the project, signed, sealed, and notarized. Lastly, joint venture agreement is also attached, and this agreement made and entered into by and between Tide Construction Corporation and Martin Development Corporation, wherein Mr. Rosano C. Tagala is hereby made, appointed, and constituted as the authorized managing officer. So with that, Tide Construction Corporation and Martin Development Corporation is compliant.
Okay, so binding Martin Development Corporation and Tide Construction Corporation is complying and therefore eligible to open for the financial proposal. So may I request the technical working group member to please open the financial proposal envelope of the joint venture Martin Development Corporation and Tide Construction Corporation, conduct the initial evaluation and the submitted financial proposal and read the contents.
So for the financial proposal of Tide Construction Corporation and Martin Development Corporation joint venture. So document attached, bid form, duly signed, bill of quantities, duly signed, detailed estimates, duly signed, summary of bid prices, duly signed. Cash flow by quarter, indicating 225 calendar days, duly signed. So the bid proposal of Sintay Construction Corporation and Martin Development Corporation joint venture is 61,111,245 pesos and 17 centavos. No discount offered. I repeat, 61,111,245 pesos and 17 centavos.
Okay, thank you. So, the submitted bid offer of Martin Development Corporation and Sintay Construction Corporation joint venture, our lone interested bidder submitted its bid in the amount of 61,111,245 pesos and 17 centavos, which is subjected for post-qualification and further bid evaluation. So, do we have any questions on these proceedings? The opening of bids? Okay, hearing none, may I now declare these proceedings to be adjourned. Thank you.